On 12th of November, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC Autonomous Council, in presence of Horen Singh Bay MP, Rup Singh Theron MLA and Avijit Crow MAC laid the foundation stone to initiate the construction of road connectivity from Umrukhuti to Mausaladeng under Public Works Department (PWD) department to develop the regions of Chinthong constituency. But look at the visual of the foundation stones that was laid by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC Autonomous Council, in presence of Horen Singh Bay MP, Rup Singh Theron MLA and Avijit Crow MAC on 12th of November. Not even a month had passed and the foundation stone is completely destroyed. The incidents took place on 2nd of December. This is not the first time happening at the region, similar like incidents that had taken place at Jatalong War, Boston, where the foundation stone for the construction of forest inspection bungalow was demolished by some unidentified miscreants right after the day it was erected. But no such conduct had been done from KAAC Autonomous Council when the government of Meghalaya carried out developmental project under the territory of KAAC Autonomous Council, Chinthong constituency. Hence, immediate interventions of KAAC Autonomous Council into this matter should be made, or else such type of activities would be continued in the days to come. Marirong Paris from Ulukunchi for KAAC Live.